Okay, hello everybody. Now we are gonna learn how to use passive voice. Since we have learned how to use in the simple present and simple past in passive voice, now we are gonna learn how to use it in passive present continuous. As you know, in active voice, the subject is the doer of the action. In this case, American is the subject. And good cars is the object. But in passive voice, the object becomes the subject. So we say that the good cars, since this is plural, we use are. That is the plural form of the verb be. So we use are, and we use the verb making, but first, after verb be, we use being. So are being, and then the verb past participle, and then we're using making, we say may. Good cars are being made. If we want to emphasize who made the cars, we use the word by, and then we use American. Okay, in this case, that is not important who performed the action, but just the action. So, this is the action. And then, again, in this case, active voice. In active voice, the subject is the doer of the action or the person who performed the action. So, scientists are looking for a vaccine for coronavirus. So, in this case, this object is a vaccine. The vaccine becomes the subject, and we say a vaccine. So this is singular. In this case, scientist is plural, but in this case we use are because that is plural. But since this becomes the subject, and this is singular, we use is. A vaccine is being be plus ing and the verb looking, and then we use the past participle of looking. We say it's being looked. A vaccine is being looked, and then who is looking for? We say by scientist. So in this case, the subject is scientist. Since this is plural, we use are. But in this case, the vaccine is the object. The object becomes the subject, and then this is singular. We use is. We are going to have another example. Okay, in this case, who is the subject? I. This is the subject. And what is the object? English. This is the object. And this is the verb. This is present continuous. So, the object becomes the subject. So we say English. Okay. Singular. So we use is or are. Of course, that is is. Is. And then being. Okay. And then it comes, after that, the verb in past participle. And what is the past participle of teaching? That is taught. English is being taught by who? By me. Okay, now you say, why me if that is I? Because in this case, this pronoun is in the place of the subject, and in this case is in the place of the object, so it changes. Remember, object pronouns and subject pronouns. So I, me, he, him. Remember? Okay, now practice, and then we're gonna have more practice. Bye.